Ever wonder how much money a Greek pita shop really makes? We are going to discover the margins, the turnover, the daily earnings. So let's go behind the scene to discover this excellent business of a pita Greek shop. Come on. How many pitas do you sell per day?
When we have busy, we can pay 2,000.
So how much did you pay last year for the shopping center?
This product, they coming from Greece.
What is the food cost?
It's extra money more in your profit.
So which makes it 300%, maybe 400% return on investment.
Yes.
Excellent, this is a good thing.
It's very nice.
Hello, how are you
sir.
doing? Thanks for having me here because I want to discover your business. Okay, and so tell me, what is your turnover on a daily basis?
It's gonna be 200 until 300 pita per day. Except Friday or Saturday, a bit more.
Okay, so, and you sell each pita for 9 euros.
For 9 euros, yes.
Which makes, if you sell 200 pitas, it makes 1,800 euros that you are selling for.
Yes.
You are open 7 days a week?
We open 6 days per week because Sundays everything is closed.
What is the food cost? I mean, what do you spend per month in buying the products?
This product, they coming from Greece, it's a little bit more expensive like the meat you can find in Brussels, like local meat.
Let's go for the rotating speed. How much does it cost? This
Okay,
one?
so this one is 30 kilogram.
Okay.
And the kilo cost 7 euro for a moment, 7 to 7.30.
So this one, this one, which you have just started,
Yes.
is
200, 210,
euros for that.
215.
And
Yeah.
how many pita can you prepare from this speed?
We can make it here around 200, 250. So
Okay, so approximately it makes €1 per pita that you are spending just on the meat.
yes.
How much do you pay for your vegetables during 1 month time? Do you know that?
1 month I will pay around 1,000. When we have busy, we can pay 2,000.
The average is 1,500 euros you are spending monthly on your vegetables. If you are divided by 25 days that you are open during the month, you are getting approximately to something like 70 euros per day.
Yes.
And if you prepare 200 pitas,
Yes.
so the budget for the vegetables per pita is less than €1.
With my calculation up and down with meat and tzatziki and vegetables, we can be around €3, 3.50.
Okay, with the bread, of course.
With the bread.
And how much does it cost?
This bread, the cost, it's pita Greek. They use just the pita Greek, the pita bread.
What
So
does it
this
come
is
from?
imported from Greece.
Also?
You don't, yes. And this costs 40 cents
Okay,
one piece.
your food cost is €3.5 per
Yes.
pita.
3.5.
Very good. What do you pay for your rent?
The rent can be until up and down with the tax. With this is a cost around 7,000 for the moment
Per month.
per month.
Are you happy with that? Do you think it's expensive?
When we see the people in the winter is busy, yeah, it's okay. But in summer, we have a loss. The client going vacation, on holidays, and it's not so. We're not so happy. And the days when you have like bank holidays, they are closed. They don't give us some discount for the rent or something. So they are so strict. So I'm not happy with that. But it's okay. I like because it's in Centrum, it's a shopping center, and you feel nice because you don't need to find the customer. So you show your product, the customer is ready here.
Okay,
They come to it and
exactly.
they sell your food.
The location is very good.
We pay the location with
course.
with one word.
If you had to pay less, the location will be worse and
Yes.
you will have no traffic.
That's
So you prefer
that's
to
true,
pay
yeah.
more, like around 7,000, but at least you can have a guarantee that the client will come
Yes.
to eat
Yes,
and you
this
will
is
have some
true.
sales.
This is true.
Okay, so Enel, let's go through the investment. Hello guys, did you know that only 10% of the viewers are subscribed to my channel? If you found this video interesting and informative, then subscribing is the best way to thank me. By subscribing, you will make sure you don't miss any future videos where we'll continue to explore exciting topics and share practical advice for entrepreneurs. Subscribe now and turn on the notification. Thank you. You have a cashier display. How much did you pay for that?
I pay for this machine around 3,000 euro.
It's yours. It's not
mine.
rent
Yeah,
or
it's
whatever.
mine. It's mine. With extra this one.
Extra display for
It's
the ordering
around,
for the
yeah,
client.
around 2,000 euro.
So you paid 5,000 overall.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe more than 5,000, around 5,500. With the order machine, you can easy order. So this is help the business when still have the line. The people can go there, can pay, can order. So
Are you happy with this system?
yes, they help. I think they help more than 30-40%. when you are busy, and so it's much better.
Because you have the badge which are ringing.
The badge ringing.
So whenever somebody is doing the order, you give him the badge which is ringing, which makes you more time to prepare the food.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's go through the investment. You have the fridge here.
Yes.
What is the cost of this fridge?
This fridge, they cost me around 5,000 euro.
Okay, so well, we already have an investment of 5,000 for the cashier, then 5,000 for the fridge, this fridge. So whenever you have rented this place, it was empty.
They was have some frigo, but there was not my project. There was free. They sell free, just free. So
okay, so you had to destroy everything and start from scratch.
Yes, everything we changed.
Okay, what was the cost of this display with the fridges?
This frigo will cost around 1,000 euro.
Okay,
and this machine it costs about 300 euro.
You bought it new or you bought it used?
Everything is new.
Everything is new.
And this is they keep warm the product. So the fridge when you put it here, so after the fridge is,
okay,
so they keep it warm.
This is important for you.
Yes, so important.
So let's go through this machine, the Gyros Grill. What is the cost of this machine?
This Gyros grill, they coming from Germany. Is created in Germany, but it's a Greek company.
All right.
The name is Potis.
Okay.
It's really so nice. Gyros the machine because it's in electric, and in shopping center we use just electric.
All right.
And this costs 1,500.
And you have two of them. Why do you have two of them?
Because with one you cannot. Because I'm busy, I cannot work with just one. So when you are busy, you have to be 2, 3 or more. But with these two, we are okay because you cut they be ready in some minutes when they grill it. After you have another option, so when you finish meat, you go to the next one.
All right.
So this place, for a moment, we need two.
So you have the Gyros grill, and you have also the plate, heated plate.
Yes. This is
what is the cost of this, and why do you need it here?
I need it for my pita because the pita can be frozen, and here we prepare the pita. And this cost it's around 1,900 euro.
Okay, 2,000 euros.
2,000
so
euro.
The grills you have two, which makes it 3,000 plus 2, it makes it 5,000 euros. So overall investment so far is 15,000.
15,000.
Okay.
This is we need it, but this is from
the
extraction.
Okay. What is the price?
Everyone know it. This is the cost 2,500.
So we're already getting to 18,000. So what is this machine, Enea?
So this is grill. So one small grill. So we need it for the ass meat, the brochette, you call here in Belgium, or the square in English. So we make it here. Okay,
this is for the brochette.
To be more better.
All right.
They cost me around 1,700 because it's so small.
All right. So we're getting already 20,000 investment.
Yes.
And finally, this machine.
This machine is good brown. This Italian brown. This is really very nice. I'm sorry with this. And this cost around 4,000 euro.
So we're
it's
getting.
Expensive.
Okay, I have seen also at your back that you have also a fridge there.
Yes, it's the fridge room. So it's not fridge, but it's frozen fridge room.
All right.
So this we need because we have all the products. We need to put it to keep it in the temperature which we need. But this costs around 8,000 euro.
So we're getting to 25 plus 8.
Yes.
So 33,000 euros.
Minimum.
So okay, this is just the main equipment.
Yes.
But afterwards you have small equipment like the knife which cuts the meat. You have some plates.
Yeah, this knife costs 1,100 euro.
Just a knife.
Just a knife. It's really very nice. It's from the same company, the Potis.
Right.
They call knife robot R900. It's really so nice. I suggest the people that have snack or they have pita Greek or something like kebab or what they use, the shawarma, I don't know.
So with this knife we're getting to 35,000 investment.
Yes.
And except that you have also the decoration and some works because I suppose you did the tiles.
No, this is already, we find it and
this was there.
Everything.
And how much did you invest in this extraction?
These they cost me around 3,000 and something.
So if we compute everything together, we are getting to almost 40,000 investment.
40,000 is minimum budget like to come.
Okay. How much did you invest in the end of the day?
For me, I can say around 50,000.
Meaning that, of course, because you have a lot of accessories that you have to buy extra, of course, does make sense. What about the plates and the
plate?
The cutlery, this is yours?
Yes, the plate which you serve the food is It is from the shopping center, because we pay some fee extra, so around 1,200 or maybe more.
So
For this
7,000
service.
for the rent plus 1,200 you are paying for the cleaning service.
No, actually it's around in this budget.
It's included in 7,000. Okay, so the 7,000 rent also includes some extra services which are
Yes.
hidden for the owner, like cleaning the gents, like cleaning the plates, cleaning the tables. If a table breaks, who is repairing that? This is the shopping center.
We pay 4% of the profit, so it's extra money more in your profit. The company, the CTD, they take from us. So 4% per year, or they make the calculation how much money you make it per year, the profit. 4% is from this.
So you have to tell them how much money did you invoice to your clients, and then you pay 4% to the shopping
Yes.
center. 4% above 7,000 you are paying, or it's already included
No.
7,000? It's extra,
End of the year,
end of the year. So how much did you pay last year for the shopping center?
like 10,000.
10,000?
Yes.
Okay. Well, for me, maybe it does make sense, because in this scenario, the shopping center is also interested in your work. He wants also that the customer will come till here in order to buy it. So they are also making some advertisement, marketing in order to push the client to go downstairs to the food court and buy your food. So it does make sense for me. And so with all the investment, with 50,000, okay, where did the money come from?
They
Did
come
you-
from my family, and which from the same actually same business.
Okay, so the investment came from your money that you saved during
Yes,
the
from
time.
my family,
My family.
family money, and
Okay, what is your salary here? Do you pay yourself a salary?
yes, my salary is 2,500
Okay.
for the moment.
Which item that you are selling on your menu has the highest profit margin?
I think all of them is the same,
The same margin.
up or down. Yes.
Okay. How many pizzas do you need to sell per day to be break even?
The minimum can be 150.
Okay.
Minimum.
You have to sell 150 pizzas
Yeah,
per
minimum to be.
day to be on zero. What is your biggest expense here?
It's a rent and it's a food too.
Food cost.
Food cost, because everything is imported from Greece, and everything is more expensive.
Do you do delivery food?
We have this machine, the takeaway,
Okay.
but in the hours where we are open, it doesn't work so lot,
Okay.
because the people order more in the night. In the night we are closed, so after 7 we are closed, so it doesn't work a lot in us business, the takeaway.
Okay, doesn't work very well for you.
No.
Okay, good. How many people do you need to run this business except you?
In this business we are operated, we work in four people, so
You need to be 4 people to run this business.
4.
Have you ever thought about selling this business to someone?
Around the friend I have some proposition, but I'm not really interested in selling.
What would be your price to sell it?
This for me minimum can be 500,000
Okay.
to sell like what is,
Okay, exactly.
with the amount what they do, with the budget what they have this kind of business.
Okay. What is the profit of this shop? Just to understand, according to the investment, what is your return on investment?
Okay. I think the investment, if you work like what is now in the moment, you can in 2 months you can cash your investment.
How?
So you
In
can
2
have
months?
your money back
In 2 months.
in 2 months.
So which makes it 300%, maybe 400%
Yes.
return on investment.
Yes.
Excellent. This is a good thing.
It's very nice.
If a young person wants to open exactly the same thing, can you give 3 best advices to him?
Tell him just to learn to do pita and to follow the steps. What is the steps? The best to keep the product like the Greek. This is the best.
Okay, so buy original ingredients.
Original. Because like this, the pita coming like people know about Greek food. People visit Greece and
Okay.
they know what is the pita Greek or what is gyros.
Okay. Would you accept this young person to come to work for you to learn the business?
Of course.
Of course. Would you make a discount for a client coming here saying that he have watched the video on my YouTube channel?
Yes, we have a discount. So,
How much?
example, the pita is cost €9. We can give it for €7, or we can give it 1 drink free. It's,
Excellent. So whoever comes to here saying we're coming from YouTube channel A, which means Honest Entrepreneur Interview Worldwide, you are giving him 1 free drink.
they can enjoy 1 drink free or €2 Just
to your
from,
discount. Excellent. And thank you very much for your honest
Thank you
answers.
so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's wrap.